Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glavitech. Thanks for joining me. Today I'll be talking about how to withdraw money from your tonkeeper. If you have a tonkeeper and you wish to withdraw money from your tonkeeper, it's very easy. This is what you have to do. Make sure if you don't have a tonkeeper, you can download one from your Play Store or your App Store. If you already have one, just do this with me. Then if yours is not updated, you can go to your Play Store, type in tonkeeper and update it. But if yours is already downloaded and updated, this is what you have to do. Just tap on your tonkeeper, it will have a home page like this. Then tap on buy and sell. Then now this is the different exchange that we have here. I'm going to be using the first one, but you can use any of them, but I prefer using the first one, Avon Change. Okay, now for you to be able to buy to withdraw money from this, you just have to tap on Avon Change, open Avon Change. Okay, it's going to take some time. You have to be patient. Okay, this is how it looks. Because I have money in my tonkeeper, you can see how it looks. If you want to withdraw, you can tap on continue to be able to withdraw your money from Avon Change. And after that, enter your details, enter your name. If I want to continue, I will just type continue. Then now they say warning, exchange direction is available for payment only through Russian bank cards. If you want to pay with your card from a bank in any another country, please do not create a request, otherwise the request will be cancelled. Tap OK. So now you can, if you want to buy, withdraw money, you can now enter your details, your card number, your phone number, card holder number, email, telegram, then you tap continue. When you tap continue, your money transaction will be processed and you receive your money into your bank account. So guys, that is it on how to withdraw money from your tonkeeper. If this video was helpful, please do well to give me a thumbs up to always get updated anytime I upload new videos. Thanks for watching this video.